Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your profile picture with PeoplePerHour easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin configuring your profile picture on PeoplePerHour, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the PeoplePerHour website and log into your account. Once logged in, locate the profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on the profile icon to access your account settings. From the drop-down menu, select Profile. You will be directed to your profile page. Look for the option to edit your profile, often indicated by an Edit button. Click on the Edit button to modify your profile settings. Scroll down to the section labeled Profile Photo. You will see a placeholder image or your current picture. Click on the option to upload a new photo. A file dialog will open, allowing you to browse your computer. Select the image you wish to use as your profile picture. Ensure that the image meets the website's guidelines for size and format. Once selected, click the Open button to upload your image. Wait for the upload to complete. After the upload finishes, you may want to adjust the cropping of your image. Use the cropping tools provided to frame your picture as desired. When satisfied with the cropping, confirm the changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page. Click Save to apply the changes to your profile. Your new profile picture should now be updated and visible on your account. Return to your profile to see how it looks. Make sure your image represents you well to potential clients. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.